You too. Morning, morning, morning. What up? It's your boy Zeke back with another one. We in the attic. Let me show you what we're working with. We got a double install. All right. We got this system back here. Start working on that. We got this one right here. We got my boy Don up here. About to knock this one out. Let me get this guy taken care of. So I'm gonna get rid of this gas real quick, and then I'm gonna get rid of the high voltage, low voltage, and that flue pipe. Alright, our gas is disconnected. Let's get this low voltage, high voltage on. Alright, high voltage is disconnected. Let's get this low voltage done. Low voltage is done. Got some water in this drain pan. Alright, let's get this flue pipe off of here. There's no screws there, just one here, one here. Flue pipe, once I get the okay from them that I can go ahead and cut the lines, we're gonna do the flue pipe and then drain. All right, so this return is coming through the floor. I'm just catching this front 10. I got two more returns on here. Gonna get those off. And we got quite a few on our supply. Let me get this on my way so I can see what's up. I'm gonna get these two out my way. All right, got all the return ducts off of here. Got it loose. About to get it out the way. Got 3 of my supplies off. Got a few more to get. Let me get these off. All right, about to get this drain cut. Right here, actually. Keep this elbow on it so it don't drain all over the floor. All right. Now I just gotta cut the lines. We're ready. All right, as y'all can see, the pan is full of water. Gotta get all this out before I could even do anything, man. So let me get this water out. System's gone. It's hot. It's moldy. Let me get this out. You too, what up? We're back. We got our equipment up here for the most part. Coil, furnace, this other furnace, drain pan. Get the drain pan set. Get the furnace set. Get the feet on the bottom. Yeah. Yeah, let's keep it pushing. I'll get back with y'all when I get that set up over there. All right, so our furnace is set. Got it on the feet. Our hole is cut. I'm gonna get this coil on, and then, yep, keep going. Go tell them how high my plenum is so you can cut the proper height. And yeah. All right, so this is what we're looking like so far. I got high voltage ran. I got my gas done. Doing my low voltage now. About to get that wired up, closed up. And yeah, keep going. All right, y'all. We just finished getting low voltage done. It's wired up, single stage, straightforward. We got white wire on W. We got our blue wire and the white wire from outdoor on common. We got the red wire on R, our green on fan, and we got our what is this, inline switch on Y, and we got the thermostat wire on Y. And then from the other end of the inline switch, we got our float switch, wire nutted from the red to the black right here. And then the other end of the red is catching the red wire coming from the outdoor unit. And that's how we are breaking our Y. All right, YouTube, this is how we looking. Low voltage, high voltage done. Gas is done. Our drain is done. I'm waiting on flue pipe so I can get at this supply plenum, return plenum. About to go get my plenums wrapped up. Last, all we have is plenums and flue pipe, and we're out of here, man. It's hot in this attic. It's so hot the glue ain't even sticking right. It's crazy. All right, let's go. All right, y'all. We got the supply plenum. I've already put all these cops. Look at my arm. It's so hot. I'm just sweating. It's hot. It's super hot, man. My shirt is freaking soaked. All right, so I got 2 more 8s to put on. And this guy's going up here, connect the supply ducts, and then we'll just have 3 ducts on the return, and we'll be able to get up out of here. Yeah. Let's go. Let's put these 2 on. I'm gonna cut the middle, make a hole a little bigger so I can squeeze them up in there. All right, let me get these on. I'll get back with y'all. All right, so we got all the ducts on our supply plenum. We got the supply plenum full of mastic. We got to get these put on here, get our ducts attached, and then come out the attic for a few minutes, cool down. All right, we got most of the supply ducts on. We got a few more to put on. We're gonna get these 2 on, and then we taking a break. It's fucking hot. All right, y'all. We just brazed this guy in. So we brazed in. I'm gonna let him know he can pressure test. Got all my supplies connected. I'm gonna tape this up right here so you can't see that insulation peeking out. I had to poke the hole through so they could access the manual damper. But just gotta get my line set on, my returns here. Just gotta get the collars put on, screwed to the plenum. Put those 3 ducts on. I gotta extend this 12, so I gotta wait for him to come back with that 12-inch flex. Extend this 12 to right here. Instead of putting it down here, I'm gonna put it right here. There's nothing there. I probably could just cut this fucking hole and fix that. Oh, I still gotta bring it to 8. I might just do that, man, because I don't feel like waiting for him. I want to get that phone call from Beverly. Oh yeah.
You know you can't do this, right?
What up? Where's the light? Where the fuck is the light? That's YouTube. What up? It's your boy Zeke. We done. Y'all already see what I got going on behind me. Let me show y'all what it look like up under here. Yeah. Turned out nice. It's crazy because his return is coming from downstairs, and this is the middle of the floor, unfortunately. So right in front of the unit, how the old one was. I wasn't gonna reroute it. This is how our new one looks. Give it a little more light. Yeah, we got our drain line, our gas, flue pipe. Boom. We're all masticed up. Yep. Got our return on. All our supply ducts for dampers, as y'all can see. Boom. This one's split and put a piece of tape right there. Yeah. I'm waiting for them to cut my power on. No light yet. There we go. Now we got a red light. Y'all see that joint? Oh yeah, y'all see that red light? And it's running. Let's go. Alright. Well, if y'all like the video, been in here all day. It was hot. Super hot. Show y'all boys some love. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. 1.